Hey guys, it's Sonia Miller with Junk Monkey Paint Company. How are you doing out there today? I am just taking a moment right now, catching up with you on the vlog here as I sit for a moment, because sometimes I feel like I go like a spin top, and just trying to sketch out here Rudolph, which I'll show you in just a second. I gotta tell you, it is nice. It's the day before Thanksgiving, and I don't know, I can just feel the change. I feel the love. I smell the turkey from here, and I'm getting excited. Can you identify this reindeer? He's all lopsided and he's looking a little whimsical and interesting right now, but that's just because it's the sketch. And so what I'm doing right now is just kind of like thinking to myself, you know, how do I want his face shape? Rudolph's got that big nose. You know, where will I put the highlights and what do I want in the background of him? And I also start to list out like all the colors that I'm going to need of my Junk Monkey colors. And in this vlog, you'll get to see the finished painting, because once I get this mapped out in my brain, then what I'll do is I'll actually start to paint it out. I'll paint it with a brush and then I'll fill it in with my palette knife. So that's what I'm up to right now. Since we're in the library, I'll show you a book that came in the mail today, and I'm so excited. This is one of the reasons why I want to get work done early so I can pick up this book. I've been watching a show on, it's not Hulu, I thought it was Hulu, but it's actually on HBO. It's called His Dark Materials. Anybody else out there watching it? It's based on the books by Philip Pullman. Actually, this book right here, this book contains all three of the books that I just found on Amazon and had it sent to me: The Golden Compass, The Subtle Knife, and The Amber Spyglass. And so I'm watching His Dark Materials. This book has been made into this movie, into this series, and I've got 2 more episodes left. Right now it runs up until December 22nd, my birthday. Yay me! That's how I remember that date. So every Sunday or Monday, it comes out with a new episode. And so right now I'm getting caught up on all the episodes, but I want to read the book as well because I love the episodes so much. Anybody else agree that, I don't know, man, books are good. It's good seeing it come to life, but when you read the book and then you see it come to life, it's almost like the movie or the series seems really vague and all the details are in here. So I'm loving the series so much, I had to go get the book. So this is what I'm gonna be up to on this Thanksgiving Eve, is getting some reading in. I am so excited. So I want to share that with you guys in case there's somebody out there that, like me, loves, you know, I love whimsical shabby like I'm painting today, but I love shows like, you know, Harry Potter and Narnia and just all those feel-good movies. All right, I'm gonna go head over to the studio. It is time to bring Rudolph to life. When I say shabby style paintings, this is what I'm talking about. So these are the latest 2 that I did. I haven't had a chance to paint this frame, but I've decided to go ahead and paint it black as well. Actually, these 2 paintings I did right here in my vlog. I showed you guys how I created them. So find them here in my vlog channel. In fact, I will link them below in the description box for you guys if you want to go and follow my tutorial on this. So this is the style that I'm looking at doing, except it's going to be Rudolph. All right, I'm going to get my space ready here, film my tutorial, and I will be right back. The power of TV. This canvas will be something else when I come back. Friends, we are done just like that, just like that. Are you ready to see the after? Are you ready to meet Rudolph is the big question here, okay? I'm gonna put him down, put you down right there. Can you see him? He's drying because I quite literally just finished my show. In 27 minutes, we painted Mr. Rudolph. So if you want to see that tutorial, you're going to have to watch next Wednesday over on Home Talk with me, and you'll see it all go down. But I think he came out pretty darn amazing. I'm going to put him for sale on my website. If somebody would love to give him a home, check in the description below. It'll take you right to junkmonkeypaint.com, and you can find under the shop tab my art as I add it there. Look how fabulous he is. Are you looking at how fabulous he is, Matt?
He is fantabulous.
He's fantabulous. Do you think he's seen things?
He looks like he's seen them.
Matt always laughs because when I finish up with my art, he looks and he goes, he's seen things. Yes, he has. Do you remember this bird cage that we painted together last night on Facebook Live? Well, I was going to put it to my shop, but I think I'm going to keep it for myself because I walked upstairs last night and on the landing, I got ideas to change it all around. So indulge me for a second because I think I'm going to keep it. I'm going to put maybe a candle inside of it. Let's see what it looks like upstairs on the landing. And I think I'm going to change around some curtains. Anybody else do that? Where you just change around curtains in your house, change around stuff all the time because you just all of a sudden get inspired that you should move it somewhere else? Yeah, that's me today. I'm so glad we ripped up all the carpet off these stairs. They look so much better now. So right here on the vlog, we hung these curtains together. Well, I have a problem because the curtains, when you pull them together, they don't meet in the middle. There's a space. So you either pull them together in the middle and you have two spaces on either side. So, and it doesn't really work well. So I need to figure out either I put another curtain in here, and then I got the idea today, why not switch around some curtains? So I think that's what I'm gonna do here. And I've been waiting for something to go down here, like a rug. So I think I'm going to put a rug down there. And then right here, I need to work on the gallery wall, which I just reminded myself that I did not show you what I found when I was in Michigan, because it's probably gonna go as part of my gallery wall that I'm gonna create up here. So I'll show you that up here. And then this is where I was thinking this bird cage could come in, because last night I was inspired when I came up here to think that, you know what, it might look really good right there, put a candle and some greenery, do something. So I was thinking we could decorate this space together right here. This is done in, this is a Paris gray and that's a smoky coal. Showed you guys this, but this is actually a piece that Matt found when we went to At Home, and it is a really cool Moroccan style lamp. He picked this out. I loved it. He found it in the clearance. Yes, I taught him well. And so it's just a fake candle. Guys, this house, late 1800s. This actually there would have actually been a gas lamp of some sort here. And down here you can see where it would have, the gas would have came through the floor there. And the hookup is still in place. When we pulled up the carpet, we could see it, which is pretty darn cool. So I do like that lit right there. And then these curtains have a little bit of green into them. So I have this rug. I think it would match in really nice with the rugs leading from downstairs up here. So I'm gonna throw this, because you see the green right there in the very centers with the blue. I think that would be really cool down here on the landing. Now I've got another space for these guys. I like that. I can pull these open, of course, if I want to, but I kind of like for winter having that feel just a really nice warm corner right here. This looks really good. Very, very happy with this. You guys like my slippers? Now let's get this piece set up. All right, so here we are. We have got the birdcage. I could not find a large white candle. Maybe when I'm out and about, that's one of the next things I'll have to find. But I do have this one. It's a black cherry one that I bought at another little store, and I love it. It smells so good. If we had smell-o-vision right now, you guys would love it. So for right now, I was thinking maybe I could put it inside of here. I do light it. I would never light it inside of here and leave it unattended. So for right now, it's gonna look just kind of pretty. And then I got some greenery. So this one here, do you guys remember I bought well, we did this on the vlog. We went ahead and we black glazed this piece. You remember that? Well, I also, if you remember, got a big centerpiece that I need to paint for my table. So now this small one can go somewhere else. So I was thinking, I brought this up here. It's probably not gonna work because it's just too big. All right, never mind. So the other thing was, when I went junking the other day, remember we got the 2 sets of baskets. It was 2 for $3.99. I thought, well, maybe I could steal one of those. And actually, this probably works better because it is, I love, love, love how cozy a home feels when you find this wicker stuff. Makes it really nice, but it's got brown. This is the brown gray smoky coal paint. The floors are brown, so maybe that is the best bet. And let's put our candle. Oh, please tell me you will fit. Perfect. And then let's go ahead and hang, not hang, but put him right there. Ooh, should be fabulous. And then this little bit of greenery, if it fits. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Guys, look at that. All right, all of a sudden, this little space right here just feels so much more homey thanks to our lovely junk finds. By the way, I flipped this stand. I think I paid $10 for this stand. You guys remember, were you hanging out with me when I painted that one? Turned out fabulous. All right, so this little section is done. We can find another place for him, but very, very happy that we did that today, guys. I think this area looks so much better. Oh, and last but not least, let me show you those few little pieces that I found. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go down and let me show you those junk pieces I got in Michigan a couple days ago. Do you remember the vlog we did a couple days ago? We were in Michigan. We went to the Thrifty Treasures place. We did a whole browse through there of that junk store. Well, when I went to that barn out back, you guys remember seeing these hanging on the wall. Now that booth was also 50% off, and there was a whole collection of these paintings. This is the one that actually I opened that I love the most out of them. Love, love, love this. It's in a beautiful oak frame. I think it's beautiful. I love the colors that are in here. And there was 3. Now, I'm gonna have to look up, does anybody recognize who the artist would be on here? Because there's a certificate of registration on the back, and I think it's possibly signed, so a certificate of authenticity. So I'm gonna have to go check that out and see. H. Hargrove. Anybody recognize it so far? So that's the first one. So these were $15 a piece originally, half price, $7.50 a piece, which means I got the entire set for what, $21, right? 21 and a bit. What is that? Oh yeah, same thing with this one. So, yep, there we go. Cool, right? Love the old barn. Absolutely beautiful. So there's a second one, and there was one more that came with this. So yeah, all the wall space that I have in here, I've been working on pieces to put around the place. There's a lot of space in here, and I'm not trying to get it all filled up at once. I want to take my time and just enjoy, right? A lot of times we move in places and we want it now. We want it to all look perfect now. Well, what fun is that? So I enjoy getting out scouting and junking with you guys, finding stuff. So yeah, these we found together, and they're going to go on our wall. Made in USA, 8x10. I love that it has the hangers on them. And then this is the old schoolhouse. So what do you guys think of my set? Yeah, beautiful, right? I love the colors that are in there. You guys know I have my Be My Honey. I have the Be My Honey in the living room and blues. I think this will go really, really nice. So 1, 2, and this one's my favorite. Which one's your favorite? The old house with the car. I thought it was a bird. I think it's a leaf. The barn or the schoolhouse. What do you guys think? Let me know below. All right, my friends. Happy Thanksgiving Eve to you guys. I think I'm going to have a glass of wine and put this vlog up. I'll be editing it drinking wine, so hopefully it comes out okay. All right, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Take care. Have a wonderful evening, and make sure to enjoy it with your family. Thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. See you tomorrow. Bye.